Today we're having a look at the Daegrad Tools 1.25 kilogram anvil. It's a T-anvil, 6 inches wide, 6 inches deep, rough ground top, with a Pritchel hole which is used as a holdfast as well, based on Roman and an example from Novgorod about the 10th, 12th century. But so it will cover the Anglo-Saxon period, Roman period, Viking, up through into the Middle Ages. It comes with a small holdfast to securing work. So if you try it on this, quite sturdy. Do we like metalwork use? The 1.25 kilogram T-anvil.